As a full-time guide, I spend 250 plus days on the water a year. Therefore, I run into everything you can imagine on the lakes. And one thing that I've noticed is angler boating and fishing etiquette is absolutely deteriorating. Watch as I deal with something I'm seeing more and more as another angler roars up to a spot I've just started fishing and cuts me off right where I'm lined up to cast. Unfortunately, I run into this on a weekly basis. This angler cuts right into my path and begins graphing right over the top of where I'm fishing. For those unfamiliar, he is using his sonar to look below and see why I am fishing in the area. Now, I'm not sure what his intentions are. Either he knows the spot and wanted to fish it, or more likely wondering why a fishing guide is on the spot, so therefore it must be good. Now remember, everything on camera is distorted. The distance on the screen looks further than it really is. In this case, he's only like 50 feet in front of me. That's 2 casts away, so he's pretty close to say the least. As our society gets more entitled, the notion of respect is fading very quickly. I understand that it's public water, and there's plenty of area to fish, but let me shed some light on this subject. Fish don't live in the whole lake. 90% of fish live in 10% of the lake at any given time and in different seasons. Schools of fish are very much affected by boat noise and being caught, so the more pressure they receive, the less they will bite, or they will move to another area. I make a living on these spots that I spend hours and sometimes days finding. And just to have guys come in and poach them in an instant is, in my opinion, not cool. At least wait until after I've left to move in. It'd be a lot cooler if you did. When you're on the water, take a second and use the golden rule. Do unto others as you'd like done to you. And a lot of these encounters can be avoided.
Do me a favor, if you like these videos, smash that subscribe button, like and share our channel. Keep up to date with all the new content we put out on a weekly basis. See you next time.